So guys, most of us are asking, Immaculate, sure, how do we make money online? And especially for the new content creators, for the people who are just coming online, for the people who are just coming on social media. You've been a student and your parents have been like, oh, you can't handle a smartphone, you can't go on social media. You've been maybe somewhere you're not interested because your community does not believe. There is your community, what it believes in. It believes in business, physical business. You have never been convinced that there is making money online. But today, you come across some people's businesses, or you come across some people's lives and they are talking, oh my God, there is making money online. And you're like, how exactly do they make money online? So in today's video, I'm going to bring different, maybe around 5 to 10 free beginner friendly ways of making money online, and to be specific, making with your smartphone. Are you with me? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your lady, the lady that says I should never hold a smartphone and beg for bread. You guys, before we dive into these ways of making money online, I would love to put a disclaimer, and I want you to underline it. This video is for educational purposes. I'm not saying that the moment you start or you try these methods, you are going to be rich. You're going not to laugh. No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying this is the way that some of us have used. And it is different. It has terms and conditions. So I'm giving you an educational tips. Just very few tips. So it's like I'm giving you, out of 100, I'm giving you 5 to 10%. What you do, you get these tips, go out there, research. Now the world is, you don't do something when you've not yet known the reviews, when you've not yet confirmed. Go out and research. The moment you find it's workable, jump on them, work on it. These are free. And please, whatever we bring here, we are not telling you, put money and get this. If you get somewhere, they ask you money, don't say, Immaculate Show said there's money, but they're asking us money. No. Ours, what we bring here is free. What are the requirements? Let's dive in. It's going to be short and precise. The requirements, it's your phone, it's your internet, it's your idea, your idea is your product, and it's your presence. That's what you require. Yes. Can we dive in and see? One way of making money. And how do you make money? We are making money with social media platforms. I'm bringing social media platforms as the first way. Why? Because it's now common. And as we talk, I think you should have watched my video either on Facebook, on TikTok, or on Instagram, maybe on YouTube. YouTube is a major platform where you'll find a video of more than 5 minutes, but others have shorts and highlights or posts. So if you know you're on social media and you're on one of any social media platform, you can make money from it. I make money from different platforms: Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. I've not yet made it. Then you're okay. That is content creation. And getting money from social media platforms, it is broad. It needs a whole masterclass. You cannot say, you started today, how do you make money on social media, Immaculate? And I say, no, you got Facebook, you've started. No. Because I don't know what you feel, where you feel comfortable with. So while we say social media platforms, go out there. And there are even some other social media platforms that I have not mentioned. Social media platforms that, like, Popo Live? Popo Live, people are making money on it, but I've not mentioned it. So you sit and know, oh, what are the social media platforms? I want you to list your social media platforms that you're on. When you list them, you can be monetized from there. It has terms and conditions. The moment you decide, it means you will know the terms and conditions. Terms and conditions are requirements for monetization. If you're on YouTube, you are going to get it is YPPA AdSense monetization. If you're on Facebook, you're going to get it as content monetization or sponsorship and others. And if you're also on TikTok, you're going to get it in another different way. So that is the first way of earning money with your smartphone or online. The second way of earning money online is through apps. Ask me, what are apps? You guys, if you ever see any app that comes up, there is a reason that is coming up. For example, I give you the app, I'm giving the apps I've used, like Paid Work. Paid Work is an app that I began with. Go to your browser, download Paid Work to your Play Store or to your App Store. You can even do it direct from your browser if you have a laptop. So the moment you open the app, for example, this app, it has different tasks. That's why I said making money is broad. So yours is to first get the idea and first get the tip, then you get the way. The moment you get the way, like for example, if I tell you apps, they are mob. When I began this journey of making money with my smartphone, I explored very many, I tell you many. What do they do, these apps? One, you will get surveys, you'll get watching video ads, you'll get tasks, you'll get assignments. There are very many. Like for example, surveys. Surveys are there different categories. We have prime surveys like in United Arab Emirates. Where you are, you might, even it is across. What do? They will ask you different things. And why do they ask? How do you earn? Because now most of the companies, projects, they no longer hire research assistants. So what they do, they put it on these apps, they pay the apps, and these apps give it out, they take percentage, you take percentage. When we talk about tasks, the same applies to the survey, because people are going out there and they decide, how do people consume Coca-Cola in United Arab Emirates? How do people consume, like, for example, fast foods? All these things you are going to find them, and they have the threshold of being paid. So this is why I say making money online is broad. What you need to do is to first say, I want to make money online. When you accept and you say, I want to make money online, baby girl, you fry. But you don't fry, you first crawl, you first study, you first learn, you accept, you meet the challenges and go through the challenges. Then you be baked. You will be like, okay, this one is okay. This month I've not gotten my money. Next month I'll double. So that is the second one. And they have different. The third way of making money online is to do affiliate marketing. Affiliate market. What is affiliate marketing? This is for new people who have just come. Affiliate marketing is to find yourself marketing products that you don't possess, you don't even hold, you don't put in the shop, you don't need an inventory, you don't need a product to be somewhere. No. Affiliate marketing is when you're promoting a product that you are sure of. For example, I can promote a product that I use right now. If I promote the product that I use, I get commission. So what you need to do, you need to find out the platforms that have that affiliate associates program. Like for example, Amazon. My first affiliate marketing program was on Amazon. So what you do, go to your website, go to your browser, look for Amazon, follow the Amazon associates, apply. If they admit you and you be an associate, you are going to get a code, and this code is going to help you in earning. So whenever, whatever you do, you go to Amazon, get a product, like for example, this mic. If it is used for me, it is good for me, I will promote it. When I promote it by talking the features and benefits, I put the link of this product. The moment you put it, every person who is going to buy through my link, I'll get commission. Hold on. It's not only this product. Even if someone uses the link and buys other products, I'll get something, provided it's that. Now, last but not least, in future I'll add for you, we have freelancing. Freelancing is one of the things that is common now. It is broad, it is worldwide. You can be in Uganda and you're doing a job in UK when you're in Uganda, what we call freelancing. And freelancing deals with skills, deals with what you have that other people don't have. There are a lot of things. Let me see you in the next video. Did you know that teachers are earning more as far as freelancing is concerned? Did you know that people are doing a lot of tasks, are doing even customer service online? So what you need to do, you need to look for, there are very many different types of platforms that are taking freelancers. Now, what you need to do for me, put for me in the comment section exactly which method do you want me to speak about, which method do you want me to tell you about, and I will come with a step-by-step tutorial about it. Yes. So when you hear someone saying you can make money online, it's not just you get a phone and say, yeah, make money online. No, it's a big project. You will decide and say, if they are saying, I'm going to do business concerning cars. Cars, I like cars, that's why I bring it as an example. If you are in cars, there are some people who are not going to sell cars itself. They are going to sell spare parts. And which spare part? There are some, not that you're going to sell every spare part. There's someone who's going to say, I'm going to specialize in tires. Another is say, I'm going to specialize in this and this and that. So this is how making money online is. If you know you like this video, if you know you just come, please subscribe. And if you know you've been here, I love you so much. Please forward this video to somebody who feels like, I want to make money online, but I don't know how to make money online. This is the simplest way. Go out, research, decide, and come make money.